Most people spend months trying to gain weight, but what if I told you you could start seeing real results in just 10 days? No junk food, no expensive supplements, just simple morning habits that trigger your body to actually hold on to calories and build healthy mass. Let's talk about the 7 morning habits that can help you gain weight naturally and fast. Number 1. Drink these items first. Right after you wake up, drink something that instantly feeds your body. A glass of warm milk with honey or a banana smoothie. Both are perfect. They give your body quick calories, protein, and sugar that your muscles can use immediately. This little morning drink sets your metabolism in motion and makes you feel hungrier through the day, which means you'll eat more and gain faster. Number 2, do a 10-minute stretch and push-ups. You don't need a full workout to gain weight, but your body does need to wake up. Do a short 10-minute stretch or a few push-ups. It boosts your blood flow, activates appetite, and prepares your muscles to absorb nutrients better. Even 5 to 10 push-ups daily can increase your muscle density if you're eating right afterward. Number 3, eat a high-protein breakfast. If you skip breakfast, you're skipping growth. Within an hour of waking up, eat a high-protein breakfast. Eggs, oatmeal with peanut butter, or Greek yogurt with fruits. This meal doesn't just add calories. It releases muscle-building hormones like testosterone and IGF-1 early in the day, speeding up your body's ability to gain healthy weight. Number 4, fix your morning mindset. Here's something most people ignore. Stress kills appetite. When you start your day feeling anxious or negative, your cortisol level spikes and your hunger drops. So spend 5 minutes listening to calming music, breathing deep, or just saying one line to yourself. My body is growing stronger every day. It sounds small, but your body listens to your mind. Number 5, hydrate with a twist. Plain water is good, but not enough. Add a pinch of salt and a few drops of lemon juice to your morning water. This combination helps your body retain nutrients and prevents dehydration, something that often blocks weight gain. When your body is well hydrated, you digest food better and gain faster. Number 6, track your morning calories. Want faster results? Track what you eat in the morning. When you actually see your numbers, say you move from 1,200 calories to 2,200 in a week, it creates accountability. People who track their morning meals double their progress because they stay aware and consistent. Number 7, build a consistency ritual. This is the habit that ties everything together. Wake up at the same time every day and eat your first meal within the same hour. Your body runs on rhythm. Once it adapts, it starts using every calorie efficiently. That's how athletes and actors transform their bodies quickly. Not magic, just morning discipline. Try these 7 habits for just 10 days. You'll notice your appetite increasing, your muscles feeling fuller, and your energy lasting longer. Remember, small morning habits can completely change your body. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share this video with someone who's tired of being underweight. Your transformation starts tomorrow morning.